Okay, so we're going to do some detection for the notch on the bottom of the bottle. You do a setup for the laser sensor, put the bottle on the machine, and lift up the side handle so it's not feeding any labels through. You just get the container rotating. So using a piece of paper, you'll see where the laser is detecting onto the notch of the bottle. Adjust the sensor. You'll notice that the light is green. It's not detecting the notch in the bottle. So rotating clockwise slowly, you'll see when it'll start to flash. It's flashing red now and it's now detecting that. Too far and you'll get a lot of red. So back, just until it's detecting that notch, and then it's set up and you're good to go.